Out East with Doug Geed is brought to you by Connect One Bank, a better place to be.
It's just like a roller coaster, but since it's in the water, it's called a hydromagnetic coaster. And the one here at Splish Splash was the first in New York State. Definitely one of the most unique and popular rides at this Riverhead water park. I'm Doug Geed, Out East on Newsday TV. Let's give you a tour of this spot that's been entertaining Long Islanders for 35 years. It was well before the East End's big tourism boom when the founders of Splish Splash took a chance that people might be willing to drive literally to the end of the Long Island Expressway to visit a water park. Their gamble paid off. Splish Splash was an instant hit and has grown dramatically.
It started on 32 acres and now we're on 96 acres.
There's a big mix of rides, some for single riders, some for kids, some for families, some for people who want to do very little, and some for thrill seekers.
We have Bombs Away, which is our drop capsule. So you're basically just standing up there and you're waiting for the floor to drop underneath you. 3, 2, 1.
And for a second year, Splish Splash is keeping open a section of the park at night.
Every Friday and Saturday night, now through August 15th, guests can come from 7 to 10 p.m. at night and experience the Kahuna Bay area. We have a DJ, we have some performers, and honestly, it is so nice to just literally see this park in a new light.
It's been a long, winding journey for Splish Splash over the years, from its small beginnings to being named one of the top 5 water parks in the country.
Splish Splash is unique because of the thematic rides that we have here. Additionally, the park was pretty much built in a forest. It's the best way to describe it. There's plenty of trees throughout the park. It's just amazing of how much this park has grown.
And with new potential expansions, they say the sky's the limit. In Riverhead for Newsday TV, I'm Doug Geed.